everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Vanish Mode on Instagram. Vanish Mode on Instagram lets you have a temporary chat that is automatically erased when the chat ends. So if you want to do a secret chat on Instagram that no one gets to know about, please keep on watching. So I'm going to show you how to use Vanish Mode on Instagram, and for that I'm going to use two of my Instagram accounts. So that's the first one, and now using this one I'm going to send a message to another one in Vanish Mode. Alright, so that's the account, and now what I'm going to do is to turn on the Vanish Mode, you have to swipe up on a chat. So as you can see, you turned on Vanish Mode. Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So only the messages that have been seen by the other person involved in the chat, only then they will get disappear when you close the chat. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna press learn more. So here are some instructions about how Vanish Mode works. First of all, it's written that messages disappear after they have been seen. So if everyone in the chat has seen a message, only then it will disappear when you close the chat. Otherwise it will be there until everyone involved in a chat sees it. Alright, see it. Then you can see that swipe up in a chat to switch modes. So you just have to swipe up to turn on the mode and to turn off the Vanish Mode. Next is Vanish Mode is shared. So whenever you will turn on the Vanish Mode, it is turned on for everyone else in the chat. And the last one is conversations can be reported. So disappearing messages can also be included in a report even if they are no longer visible. Alright, so that doesn't mean you can send any sort of message like an offensive one using the Vanish Mode. They can be reported as well. So that's how Vanish Mode works. So I'm gonna go and send a message and I will show you how actually it works. So that's the message I have just sent, and now I'm gonna turn off Vanish Mode and I will show you what happens then. So as you can see, I have turned off the Vanish Mode, but it is still showing me that see one disappearing message. So I'm gonna press that, and it's written hey, the message that I have just sent. So it's written that seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So whenever it will get seen by the other person, it will get removed from here. Alright, now I'm gonna go and switch back to another account to which I have sent this message. So that's the message I have sent using the Vanish Mode. So it's written that sent in Vanish Mode. Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat, and you can reply in Vanish Mode. If you want to reply, you can press that and just give the answer, or if you don't want to do that, you can simply close this chat, hidden chat. So you have to press back and then gonna go back again to the chat. So as you can see, that message got disappeared after it was seen by you. Alright, now I'm gonna go back to my first account and I will show you if the message is still there or not. So as you can see, the message also got disappeared from here. So that's how Vanish Mode works. There is no proof of those messages that you have exchanged using the Vanish Mode. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on again once and I will show you how it works for both the parties. So I'm gonna send a message again. So that's the message I have sent to them. Now I'm gonna go back and switch my account. So as you can see, Vanish Mode is on for this account as well. As you can see here, Vanish Mode seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. You can learn more, and at the top you can read now your messages can be seen for longer. Messages sent in the last 6 hours can be seen again, but older seen messages are hidden when you close the chat. Alright, so those messages that you have sent in the last 6 hours, they can be seen over and over again, but you can't see older messages when you close the chat. Alright, so that's how the Vanish Mode works. Now if you want You can turn it off. Anyone can turn it off. Any user, any participant in the chat can turn off the vanish mode. So I'm going to turn it off right here. So that's how you can turn it off, or you can simply swipe up. So that was everything about how you can use vanish mode on Instagram. So yeah, that was all for this video. For any doubts or queries, you can reach out to the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.